iOS 18.1 is the latest iOS version you can try on your iPhone. Today I will show you how to jailbreak your device with Zoox App Store. Search iOS 18.1 Jailbreak Zoox using a mobile Safari. Tap on highlighted link. Now open the Checkra1n Virtual from home screen. Once the jailbreak is completed, you can install Cydia 2 Package Manager that brings you jailbreak features to customize your iPhone. So enjoy installing Zoox on your iOS 18.1. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.